In this Options API example, we define a Vue instance with an element, data, and created lifecycle hook. In the data function, we return an object with an items property initialized as an empty array. When our Vue instance is created, which happens right after the instance has been initialized but before it's mounted to the DOM, we immediately fetch data from a given URL. After the data is successfully retrieved and converted to JSON, we assign it to our items array. The items array is reactive, so any changes to its contents will update the DOM. If the fetch request fails, we catch the error and log it to the console. Switching to the composition API, we import ref and onMounted from Vue. Inside the setup function, we declare items as a reactive reference which starts as an empty array. We use the onMounted lifecycle hook because it runs after the component has been mounted to the DOM, making it the perfect place to fetch and populate data that might interact with the DOM. An asynchronous function within onMounted awaits the fetch call and subsequently updates items with the received data. This is bound to the returned object, which makes items available for use in the template. If we encounter an error during the fetch, we catch it and log it to the console here as well.